Before you fall in love with a girl who has been broken before, remember, it isn't just about loving her simply, it's about teaching her that she didn't deserve what happened to her in the past. Respect her brokenness. She never wanted to meet someone who could put her back together. She learned to love herself the way she wished other people had. She learned to own the parts of herself she used to reject. She learned to have confidence in what is broken, not letting what could be missing in her life define her.
You don't have to save her. Instead, run your fingers along her sharp edges and show her it doesn't have to hurt. Show her someone will stay even when things are hard. Show her it doesn't matter what happened or with who. What matters is the two of you right now. Teach her that she can trust someone other than herself. Because until now, she's been the number one person she can rely on. Teach her that not everyone will hurt her. Teach her that not everyone will leave. In return, she will doubt you. She will question you. And secondly, guess things. She will want more than anything to run the other way. Don't let her. The only reason she's running is because she wants to beat you to it. The only reason she's running is because she wants to look back and see someone's chasing her. But trust me when I say she's worth the effort. Because once she trusts you, she will love you harder than you ever thought someone could. She will redefine what you thought love meant. You will meet her and you will never be the same. So, before you take on the challenge of loving someone broken, ask yourself, are you willing to endure everything that comes with it? But most of all, you should ask yourself, can you appreciate a woman like her? And more importantly, can you love her the way she's always deserved to be loved? #Explore.